Good morning, children. Today I am going to give you book back answers in science for 6th standard. That is from the term 2. Okay, that is unit 3, changes around us. So in the previous class I gave from the term 1, unit 5, right? So now living world of animals I gave, and from the term 2, one lesson is there for your half yearly exam. So those who have the book, take page number 39. Mark it, children. That is, first we'll go to the choose the correct answer. Roman number 1. When ice melts to form water, change occurs in its C, physical state. So correct answer is C, physical state. Second, drying of wet clothes in air is an example of, correct answer D, physical change. Formation of curd from milk is C, an irreversible change. Out of the following, an example of a desirable change is B, change of seasons. Fifth, air pollution leading to acid rain is D, human-made change. The next Roman number 2, we'll go to the fill in the blanks. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. So I'll write only the answer, children. Question is there. Okay, and those who have not bought the book, children, please buy the book. The books are available in the school, okay? Then first is magnet attracts iron needle. This is a dash change. Options are given there. So answer is a reversible. Yeah, reversible. Then second, boiling of egg results in dash change. So the correct answer is an irreversible. Irreversible. Okay. That is, it cannot come back to its original state, right? Then plants convert carbon dioxide and water into starch. This is an example of dash change. That is natural or man-made, they have asked. The correct answer is natural. Then third question is, children. Third is, changes that are harmful to us are dash change, that is undesirable. Fourth one only is natural. Okay. Then fifth one, bursting of firecrackers is a dash change, whereas germination of seeds is a dash change. Two dashes there. First is fast, another dash is slow. Okay, children, do you understand this? Then true or false, give the correct statement. So I think you have this here. Growth of teeth in an infant is slow change. That is Roman number 3. Okay, Roman number 3, true or false. Okay, first one, what I said, true. Okay, then second one, burning of matchstick is a reversible change. So here also they have asked if false, give the correct statement. So instead of reversible underline. So instead of that, what will come the correct statement? Irreversible. So full statement, what will be? Burning of matchstick is a irreversible change. Okay, so false. So reversible is irreversible. Okay, correct statement. Now change of new moon to full moon is human made. That is false. So what is the correct statement there? So moon, change in the new moon to full moon is a human made, children? No, it's a natural. So underline human made, and the correct statement what you write is natural change. Then fourth, digestion of food is a physical change. Again false. So instead of physical, what you will write? What is the correct statement? Chemical change. Okay, digestion of food is a chemical change. Physically you will underline and you will write the correct statement as digestion of food is a chemical change. Then in a solution of salt in water, water is a solute. So again it is false. So what will be the correct statement? So correct statement, in the solution of salt in water, water is a solute they have asked. So solute underline. And then what the correct statement you will write down? That is, in a solution of salt in water, water is a solvent you will write. Okay, that's a correct statement. Next you will go to the analogy. That is Roman number 4. For analogy, first one, curdling of milk, irreversible change they have given. Formation of clouds is dash change. What you will write? Reversible change. So you have to write reversible in the dash there. Then second, photosynthesis dash change. Burning of coal, human made change. So photosynthesis, burning of coal is human made. Photosynthesis is a natural. So photosynthesis is a dash change. In that dash you will write natural change. Okay. Then dissolution of glucose, reversible change. Digestion of food is irreversible change. Digestion of food is irreversible change. Then cooking of food, desirable change. Decaying of food, dash change, undesirable. Undesirable change. Okay. Then burning of matchstick, it's a dash change. Rotation of the earth, slow change. So fast. So this is over, children. The next is Roman number 5. Circle the odd one out. Give reason for your choice. So give reason they have given, children. Give reason we'll see later. First we'll circle the odd one out. Okay. Roman number 5. Growth of a child. Blinking of eye. Rusting. Germination of a seed. So odd one, what you have to circle it? Rusting you have to circle. Then second, glowing of a bulb. Lightning of a candle. Breaking of a coffee mug. Curdling of a milk. So breaking of a coffee mug you have to circle, it's a odd one. Then rattling of an egg, condensation of water vapor, trimming of hair, ripening of fruit. So what will be this one as odd one? Rotting of an egg. Then fourth, inflation of balloon, popping a balloon, fading a wall plant, paint, burning of kerosene. That is inflating balloon, you will circle it. That's the odd one. Okay. Then we'll go to the give very short answers, children. First, second and fourth I'll write on the board. Third and fifth you can mark in your book. So say define a slow change. Page number 34 you take. Page number 34. In that, see in the left side. Okay, left side slow changes is given there. So in that, changes, open the bracket, changes which take place over a long period of time are known as slow changes. That hours, day, months, years, strike it out. So changes which take place over a long period of time are known as slow changes. Close the bracket. That's your third short answer. Okay. Then fifth one, what is the solution? Take page number 36. In that same way, see on the left side up here, when solute is dissolved in a solvent, it forms a solution. And the box is given solute plus solvent gives solution, close the bracket. When, open the bracket, solution, close the bracket. Here in the up you can see here third point. Okay, when, from when to the solution you can close the bracket. Okay, that's your fifth answer. Now I'll write the 3 questions. Okay. Question is on the board itself, children. Question is in the book. I'll write only the answers for y'all. Okay. So only the answers will be written on the board. Questions are in the book. So those who have not bought the book, buy the book, children. Only then it will be easy for you all to learn. So Roman number 6. Okay. Roman number 6. Give very short answer. Give very short answer. Okay. 3 and 5 already I gave. 1, 2 and 4 I have to write on the board. Okay, children. Then first one is, question is, what kind of change is associated with decaying of a plants? Answer is decaying of plants is associated with slow change and chemical change. Okay, children, this is the first answer. And the second one is, you are given some candle wax. Can you make a candle doll from it? What kind of change is this? You have to write. Yes. Answer is, yes, I can make a doll from the candle. This kind of change is physical change. Okay, children, this is the second answer. The third already we have marked in the book. Now we'll see the fourth one. What happened when cane sugar is strongly heated? Mention any 2 changes in it they have asked. So when, answer is when cane sugar is strongly heated, it will initially melt, and after that start to decompose. Then the changes involved is physical change and irreversible change. Okay, children? Irreversible change. Have you taken down these 3 questions, children? So all the 5 questions over for you. Now we'll go to the Roman number 7. Give short answer. Okay? So you have to write give short answer. So give short answer. Roman number 7. Give short answer. So this also I'm going to write only the answer, children. Question is there in the book. So only answers will be written on the board. So first one, what the question is asked here. What happened when paper is burned? Explain. Okay. When paper is burned. So answer is when paper is burnt, oxygen from the air combines with carbon in the paper. All these questions are important, children. The paper turning into carbon dioxide. What is CO2? Carbon dioxide and water vapor which float away, leaving solid ash. The action of burning paper can't be reversed. So it is irreversible change. Also, it is a reversible change. Okay. Then next question is what is that question, children? Can deforestation be considered as a desirable change? Explain. No, it is an undesirable change. It is an undesirable change and it is a human made change. It is a human made change. Deforestation leads to leads to deforestation, leads to decreasing rainfall, decreasing rainfall, and leads to global warming, and leads to global warming. Okay children, so this is the second. And the third one, what type of change is associated with germination of a seed? Explain. So germination of seed, germination of seed, okay, germination of seed is associated with slow change, because the changes take place over a long period, of time, so it is a slow change. Okay children, so these are the 3 questions. Next we have detail children. Detail we'll see answer in detail, or you can mark it in your book children. Give an example for each happens around you. So first is slow change and fast change, page number 34. Okay, slow change, if you take slow change, you have the side heading, the small hyphen, you can see the example, growth of nail and hair, underline that and write only that in that answer. Okay, for example, slow change, hyphen, growth of nail and hair. And then next is same page number 34, fast change. If you take side heading is fast change and put a hyphen right from the example, see burning of paper, underline. Okay, that you have to write. So fast change, put a hyphen, burning of paper. The next is reversible and irreversible change. Reversible, see here, reversible change you have to write and put a hyphen and write. See in the examples, melting of ice, last one, underline that. So how will you write? Reversible hyphen melting of ice. And then irreversible change, you can write, see in the page number 35, examples, mela parunga inga, example is there, change of milk into curd. So irreversible change, you put a hyphen, changing of milk into curd. The next what, see physical and chemical change. So the physical change you have to write, put a hyphen, see the example there, see the page number 35 is given in the left side, see here. Okay, physical change, the example, stretching of rubber band, underline, stretching of rubber band, alla keela parunga last line la, that you can write, physical change, put a hyphen, stretching of rubber band. Then next what there was, chemical change, turn the page, chemical change, page number 36, right side la parunga, chemical change, put the example la last la parunga, rusting of iron. So chemical change, put a hyphen and write rusting of iron. Next what there was, natural and man-made change. So natural change, see in the page number 37, right side, see here, that is natural change irka. The natural change எழுதி or just put a hyphen, example la parunga, rotation of the earth, underline that. So natural change, put a hyphen, rotation of the earth you have to write. Then man-made there was, man-made means you have to write man-made change, put an hyphen, see same down, keela parunga, example irka, put construction of buildings, underline. So when you write, you write human-made, put an hyphen, construction of buildings. Next what there was, desirable and undesirable change. Same page la left side la parunga, adhe page la left side la irukku. Desirable change you have to write, put a hyphen, enna எழுதுவீங்க, cooking of food, example la irukku parunga, second line la cooking of food, underline that. So நீங்க எழுதும்போது அப்படி தான் எழுதணும். Then next undesirable change you will write, அதில் என்ன இருக்குது example, first example is a deforestation, underline. So undesirable change, deforestation. So how will you write children? When you write first slow changes, put a hyphen, growth of nail and hair. Then number 2, fast changes, put an hyphen, or chinna dash. என்ன அதுக்கு எழுதணும்? Burning of paper. Then reversible change, அந்த மாதிரி ஒன்று அந்த மாதிரி போட்டு எழுதுவீங்க, புரியுதா? So do you understand this children?